So you're managing a Linux server. Maybe you're having to run commands all the time. What if you could simply manage these commands remotely from your terminal? It is called SSH, Secure Shell. Run whatever commands you want on your own terminal. All you need is an SSH key, upload the public key, and then use your own private key to connect. Once connected, it'll be like as if you're using the local terminal. The terminal will give you all the same results as if you were on that Linux machine locally. All you need to do to connect is type SSH-I quotes the file location of your private key, the IP address of the server. Now, if you wish to return from SSH, all you need to do is type exit. And that's it. It's that simple. You're done. You can do whatever you want now. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a comment below. It greatly helps out the channel.